Bulb is the largest green energy supply in the UK, and our mission is to help people save on their energy bills and lower their carbon emissions. The research and design team at Bulb is 13 people working across 12 different product teams in the company. And it is the responsibility of the design and UX team to make sure that all the products and all the websites and services that we design still feel cohesive and consistent.
At Bulb, we have these multidisciplinary pods made up of designers, engineers, product managers, content writers, and researchers. When we decided that we wanted to create our design system, Solar, the process was completely collaborative. Figma helped us have that single source of truth, our design kit.
It's really useful for designers, engineers, researchers, and other disciplines to be able to go in, communicate to one another and have really open dialogue. Figma is just incredible for how we communicate about design at Bulb.
What's really great about working in Figma and it being collaborative is that we don't have to sort of have these points in the design process where we hand off. So I can write, for example, a usability insight directly onto the design, which allows me to then become part of that next iteration design process. It helps us to build a more transparent design culture because we're all working from the same playbook.